Put your hands out at your sides, alright? Understand these instructions? Alright. I'm going to have you remain like that while I demonstrate and give further instructions to the test, okay?
It is a bit windy.
Yep, I know. I'm going to definitely take that into consideration, okay? Alright, for this test, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps while keeping your arms at your sides, and you're going to count out loud. It's going to look something like this.
Yes, sir.
1, 2,
2, 3.
3. For demonstration purposes, I'm taking 3. You're going to take 9. 9 heel-to-toe steps. You're going to do 12 steps. You're going to turn around and walk 9 heel-to-toe steps back while counting it loud on the imaginary line. 1, 2, 3. Until you reach your 9 heel-to-toe step. Alright? Once you start the test, don't stop until you've completed the test.
Yes, sir. It is a bit windy, I would say.
It is, I agree. Okay. Alright, you may begin the test.
After 9 steps?
You may begin just as instructed. Do you understand the test?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you need me to re-explain it, I can re-explain it to you. Okay.
1, 2, 3. 1. I'm sorry. 1.
Alright, do you feel like you completed the test?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can turn face me. Alright, this next test, I'm going to have you stand with your feet together and your arms at your sides. You're going to remain in that position while I explain the test. You're going to raise your left foot or your right foot. Whatever foot you may choose, you're going to raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground while keeping your foot parallel to the ground. Arms at your sides, and you're going to count it loud. 1001, 1002, 1003. You're going to continue until I tell you to stop.
Yes, sir.
Alright, do you understand this?
1001, 1002.
You understand the instructions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 second here. And I'll let you know when to begin in 1 second. Alright, go ahead.
1002, 1003, 1004. Is that the correct instruction, sir?
You need me to re-explain that? Alright, I'll stand back here. Start over. Alright. Keep your arms at your sides and your feet together while I explain this test.
Yes, sir.
Alright, you're going to remain in that position until I tell you to do otherwise. Alright? Whichever foot you may choose, your left foot or your right foot, you're going to raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to count out loud, 1001, 1002, 1003. So you're going to continue until I tell you to stop.
Yes, sir.
Alright, you understand those instructions?
Yes, sir.
Alright, give me 1 second. I'm going to have you start in 1 second, alright? Ready?
Right foot's okay.
You may begin.
Whichever foot you choose.
1001, 1002. Sorry, sir. 1001, 1002, 1003.
Keep going.
1001, 1002, 1003.
Keep going.
1001, 1002, 1003, and 1002, 1002, 1003. I'm not with mom.
20 or 48, sir.
I'm not sure where we're bound, sir, but
Nothing from USA Central.
Alright. So I think we're done, okay?
okay.
Turn around for me. You're going to be placed under arrest for operating under the influence tonight, okay?
All right.
Yes, sir. The test is, I'm all done with the test, okay?
1001, 1002.
To be honest, I don't think it's going to change the results at this time, okay?
176
Now
history.
you're under arrest, okay? His wife is to be...
176.
We'll
One in
come over here
custody.
and get you in the 1 car. I know it's cold now, right? Well, that was
One in custody.
Do you have anything on you?
No, sir.
Alright, what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you put your feet nice and wide for me. Separate them. Yep, nice and wide.
No, you have a breathalyzer, please.
I'm going to give you that opportunity when we get back, okay? So put your feet for me.
Yes, sir.
Right now, I'm not going to do anything. When we get back, I'm gonna read you your rights.
176, can you just verify the 17?
Roger, it's a Connecticut Legislator 41. I'll give you further in a second.
Roger.
In the car.
Yes, sir. Keys. Thank you.
See that?
These are awesome here.
Yeah, see that. It's a
Maybe
bunch
drive
of, do you need the receipts?
Yes, please.
Yep.
2.
I see them.
Please.
Yep.
Thank you.
You can go on the floorboard for now. Talk on the way.
Yes, sir.
These are both in those pockets here. We'll probably need the...
Bob.
Is the wife intoxicated as well?
She is.
Okay.
She's in the back sleeping right now.
Alright.
Do you have anything else on you?
Yes, sir.
Watch yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Do you have anybody at home that can come pick that car up, or?
For your wife. The car's gonna get towed.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Do you have anyone that could pick up your wife? Otherwise, we could have an officer bring her back home.
Yes, sir.
If she could care for herself.
Yes, sir.
All right, just because she's intoxicated,
Make
passed out in the back.
May call me, my mother right now.
Okay. Is your mother local?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give me 1 second. I'll grab your phone. Okay.